Hello everyone, this is Teacher Juvie and I will be your guide for today's lesson.
In this lesson, you will learn about the 3 different kinds of lines. Let's read the situation. Each of the pupils of Grade 4 Resourceful was asked to draw a house. Neil presented his drawing to the class. Take a look at it and how it works. Okay, so ito yung din drawing na bahay ni Neil. So these are the questions. Do you see lines in Neil's drawing? In what parts of the house do you see lines? Do you think we can draw houses without lines? Are lines important and why? So we will answer these questions. Okay, so let's try to analyze the drawing of Neil. So let's take a look at Neil's drawing of the fence. So this is the fence drawn by Neil. Neil drew the fence using horizontal and vertical lines. So gumamit siya ng mga pahalang at patayong linya. The horizontal lines do not intersect even if we extend them. So yung horizontal lines, hindi daw yan nag-i-intersect kahit i-extend natin siya in both directions. Kung sinabing horizontal, ito yung mga nakahigang line. Likewise, the vertical lines do not intersect even if we extend them. So yung dalawang vertical lines na ating nakikita, yung dalawang patayong line na ating nakikita, kahit daw i-extend natin in both directions, they will also never intersect. So these lines are said to be parallel lines. Okay, so ang tawag natin sa mga line na to ay parallel lines. Ang parallel lines are lines that do not intersect o hindi sila nag-meet. Okay. Parallel lines. So this is an example of parallel lines. So as you can see, ang lines A, B, and CD are parallel lines because kahit na-extend natin ang dalawang lines na to in both direction, they will never meet or never intersect. So balikan natin uli yung din drawing ni Neil. So punta tayo sa drawing niya ng kanyang window. So ganito ang itsura ng window na ginawa ni Neil. So, pansinin na ang diagonal lines cross or intersect each other. So, these lines are called intersecting lines. Basta ang dalawang lines ay nag-intersect at exactly one point, these are intersecting lines. We are going to illustrate intersecting lines. So, ganito ang itsura niya. Papansin niyo, ang line IL and line JK are intersecting lines and they intersect at exactly one point, which is point N. So, kabaliktaran siya ng parallel lines dahil ang parallel lines hindi nag-intersect while ang intersecting lines ay syempre nag-intersect at exactly one point. So, another drawing of Neil is the door of the house. So, ganito niya din draw ang pinto ng kanyang bahay. Neil used horizontal and vertical lines to draw his door. The horizontal lines intersect the vertical lines. So, di ba, nag-meet ang horizontal lines and vertical lines. What kind of angle is formed by one of the horizontal lines and one of the vertical lines? So, ano yung na-form na angle nung nag-meet ang horizontal lines at vertical lines? Okay. If you answered right angle, you are correct. So each pair of intersecting horizontal and vertical lines in Neil's door form a right angle. Each of these pairs are then described as perpendicular lines. So, tatandaan nyo na ang perpendicular lines ay lines na nag-intersect and nag-form siya ng 90 degree or right angle. Okay, so ganito ang itsura ng perpendicular lines. So, as you can see, lines EF and GH are intersecting and they form right angles. They are therefore perpendicular. The four small squares at the corners tell us that the angles formed are right angles or that the measures of the angles is 90 degree. Basta ang dalawang line ay nag-form ng square corners or 90 degree or right angle, tinatawag siyang perpendicular lines. How do the kinds of lines differ from one another? Let's take again a close look at the examples. So, meron tayo dito ang parallel lines. So, again, parallel lines are lines that do not intersect. So, these figures shows parallel lines. So, yung lines WE and KB are parallel. Itong side A and side X are also parallel. Yan, kung nakikita nyo, yung lines or yung sides L and P are parallel. And yung line N and line S are also parallel. Then, yung lines na tinuturo ng arrow na to, so the lines to which the two arrows point are parallel. So, ang intersecting lines naman, so these are lines that meet or intersect at a point. So, the figures shows intersecting lines. So, ito yung mga figures na nagpapakita ng intersecting lines. Lastly, yung ating perpendicular lines. So, ang perpendicular lines ay intersecting lines but they form right angles or angles that measures 90 degrees. So, these are the pictures that shows perpendicular lines. So, meron siyang na-form na square corners nung ang dalawang line ay nag-intersect. Okay, so let's have the first activity. So this is named as, we will name the pair of lines being described by each statement. So we are lines that intersect each other. So ano kayang lines ang nag-intersect sa isa't isa? Anong tawag sa lines na yun? Okay, correct. So that is intersecting lines. Next, we are lines that intersect and form a right angle. So, anong kinds ng line ang nag-intersect and nag-form ng right angle? So, what is the answer? Okay, very good. So, perpendicular lines. Okay, next, we are lines which do not meet or intersect even when extended. So, sila naman daw yung lines na hindi pwedeng mag-meet or never mag-meet kahit i-extend pa yung dalawang lines in both directions. So, these are parallel lines. Okay, next activity is we will explore the space. So, look at the grid below and give at least one pair of parallel lines, one pair of intersecting lines, and one pair of perpendicular lines. So, unahin muna natin yung isang pares ng parallel lines. Again, ano yung parallel lines? Okay, very good. So, these are lines that will never meet or will never intersect. So, dito sa ating grid, ang nakikita nating lines na hindi magmi-meet or mag-intersect ay ang line XP and ang line RO. Diba? Okay, next naman. One pair of intersecting lines. So, ang intersecting lines, these are lines that intersect at exactly one point. So, from this grid, ang intersecting lines dito ay ang itong line AZ and line LM. Okay? Nag-intersect sila at exactly one point. And last, isang pair ng perpendicular lines. So, ano nga uli ang perpendicular lines? So, perpendicular lines are lines that intersect at a right and form right angle. Okay? So, nag-intersect sila at nag-form sila ng right angle or square corners. So, ang line LM and line XP ang example ng perpendicular line. Pwede rin namang isagot nyo yung line LM, nag-perpendicular siya sa line RO. For our last activity, from the figure below, we will name two pairs of intersecting lines and one pair of parallel lines and two pairs of perpendicular lines. So, unahin muna natin ang dalawang pares ng intersecting lines. So, intersecting lines, they are lines that meet and meet at exactly one point. Okay, so rin dito mga lines na nag-meet at exactly 1 point. So we have lines QW and line PS. Okay. And another pair is yung line ET, nag-intersect siya sa line PS. Okay, so these are the two pairs of intersecting lines. Next naman ay isang pair ng parallel lines. So, parallel lines, these are lines that will never intersect or meet. So, ito yung mga lines na QW and line ET. So, yun lang naman yung line na hindi mag-meet or yung parallel lines. One is we will name the lines or pairs, two pairs of perpendicular lines. So, ang perpendicular lines, these are intersecting lines na nag-form ng right angle. So, dito, ang mga lines na nag-form ng right angles or perpendicular to each other ay ang lines QW, perpendicular siya sa line PL, and lines ET, perpendicular siya sa line KL.
Thanks for watching this video. Hit like if you learned from this video and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Thank you so much.